Hello and welcome to Project Sheet for Excel. With this app, you can create a project schedule with work breakdown and Gantt chart in a spreadsheet. In this video, I will show you what you can do with the Pro version. We open the pane from the ribbon and continue with the Pro version after signing in with a Microsoft account and registering for a trial. The new spreadsheet must be prepared by adding 4 app-specific sheets. The resources and holiday sheets are extra compared to the free version. Tasks are created by entering task descriptions. The WBS code is generated automatically and updated when a summary task is inserted. The subtasks are selected and then indented from the pane. Entering a duration for a task results in a start date on the first working day after today and a finish date on task duration days after the start date. The task dates become visible in the Gantt chart. Today is indicated with a red vertical line. Standard non-working days and holidays are shown as gray days. Start and finish dates can be changed from the pane. If you change the start date, the finish date shifts and the duration remains unchanged. The task can be set back to its "as soon as possible" default condition. Changing the finish date changes the duration and leaves the start date unchanged. Tasks can be linked by entering predecessors. The link is shown as an arrow in the Gantt chart. A new resource that is added to the tasks sheet will be automatically added to the resources sheet. You can also add a new resource up front in the resources sheet. Existing resources can be assigned from the pane. A task can have multiple resources, separated with a semicolon. A work resource can have a rate per hour. The costs are calculated when the hours per task are added. The total cost for the project can be seen in the project sheet. Thank you for watching this demo video. More videos are available in the project sheet for Excel playlist in the video description.